Ladies and gentlemen, we have just agreed on a little switch. So from now on, my little R6 is gonna go with the Mark, and we're gonna test drive the mighty Kawasaki Z800. Yep, we're gonna switch to naked bike, so we'll see how it goes. 2015 Z800 naked Kawasaki bike, one of the most favorite bikes. My friend is going to buy Z900, so yeah, you'll see how it goes. What? I've heard something about the highway. What? I heard something about the highway. Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, we're gonna go. We're gonna take the fastest route.
You in a rush?
On a motorway.
You in a rush? Yeah, but we can go and have coffee, right?
Yeah, we can have a coffee.
Okay, we're gonna have a coffee somewhere on the way. How should I get on? Ugh! Jesus, this high. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Look at him struggling. Oh, look at the dash. Sexy. Neutral. I found neutral. That's fine. Ooh. 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 Oh. Yeah, that's my bike. Okay, guys, Z800. That's really, it's really wide. Look at this. Look at the tank. Yeah, I know this is a plastic. This is a metallic tank underneath, but look at how wide it is. Look where my knee is. Like it's covered. Oh yeah, that's my bike. Brakes. Let's check the brakes. Yeah, front is pretty nice. Back is really soft. Yeah, this is really nice. He has really like new tires on it, so it's kind of like it's gonna stick. I just know it's gonna stick. He has like no free play on the throttle, so it's really strange because I'm used to a free play on the throttle, but it's totally fine. I'm sitting like really high, but I think that like the handlebars are kind of like into some angle, because it's kind of like I have a feeling like I'm still turning to right, but that's probably just my feeling. I don't know. No, it's not my feeling. It's really turned to the right. Oh shit, the seat is really low. The seat is like, I can move like 2 inches front and 2 inches back, that's all. On my Yamaha I can like go like full duck in front and then, you know, just like squish back, but this like I can move like really a fist or something less than a fist, you know, and that's it. It just like cannot go like any further back. And it's strange because I'm just like used to go further back. And he has DB killer on it, and it's still so loud. Like it's really loud. Like, look how wide it is. Like the handlebars, they're really like wide, and something is scratching my neck. Shit. That was neutral. Woo! I like those brakes. They're like, you can feel them. They're not like really that like hard, but you can feel them that they're working. That was second neutral. Oh shit. The pegs are really short, like half of my foot is outside because I have a little bit wider pegs on my Yamaha, so the sitting on them, it's got like more, I'm more used to that. But it's really like, it's wide, it's really wide. But I like the sound, it's really comfortable actually. Look how sick it looks. Oh, my Yamaha. I wanted a coffee, we just missed the gas station. It's funny how light this is. Look at this, look at this. It's just like, I don't even have to try to move this around. If you just sit back, it really supports your butt. It's like the seat is really like, it's not soft, honestly. It's really like, it's pretty hard, I would say. I have a feeling like my seat is a little bit softer than this one because I have a feeling like I'm sitting on the bench. Like honestly, really, it's like sitting on the bench. And it's really uncomfortable to sit out from the seat. Like when you want to lean to the corner, it's kind of like you are supposed to just be stuck in the middle and just use the spot which is right under your butt. Because when you're moving from side to side, it's like it's biting your butt. It's like really uncomfortable. Honestly, I have a kind of like feeling that this is easier to ride into the corner. Like, I don't know why. It's a naked bike, what can I tell you? You know, it's like the bike before which I said a couple of words about it. Kawasaki Raptor 1000. It's like, this is less noisy, let's be honest. This is less noisy. has a little bit more wide handlebars, so you kind of have a feeling that you can move a little bit better. It's really easy to ride. It's like it's 800, but the torque doesn't feel that crazy. You know, it's really like even less. It's like it's pulling. Don't take me wrong. It's pulling, but it's not crazy fast. It's like what I would expect from some bike, naked bike, which I would like to use like in the city, outside the city. It's really capable on the cruising speed, like the highway or something. And I really can imagine it going even in a like traffic jam or something. That's crazy. That wind is just crazy. I'm not used to wind like that. It's like it just hitting me right to my face and chest. Yeah, I know. It's like, what would you expect from naked bike with no windshield? I know, man. I know. I'm just saying, because you know you're used to something, and you just you sit on something else, and it's like. It's like it's all you expect something, right? Because you look at the bike and it's a naked bike. It has like no windshield and shit like that. But it's different, and that's the experience. It's just like you want to try different things. Ladies and gentlemen, this will be all for today. Have a nice day, have a nice evening, have a nice night. This was your boy Mikey with a mic on my R6 right now. I'm on his Kawasaki Z800. Behind me there is King Julian Moto on his brand new CBR 650R with his beautiful girlfriend. And see you at the next one. Bye bye.